as we head into fall, the temperatures are starting to cool off, which is nice because it allows us to get back out into the garden a little bit more and just enjoy it. Now, I know as I head through the summer months, there's always plants that I see at other people's garden that I think, oh, I need to add that into my landscape also. Well, fall's a great opportunity to start thinking about some of those plants and get some of your perennials, your trees and shrubs added into your landscape. It allows those plants to establish that root system before they go into those colder temperatures. So take advantage. A lot of times nurseries are kind of cleaning out their inventory right now, and so you can get some really good discounts on some of those plants as well. Also, when we talk about trees, a lot of times people want a particular fall color that they're looking for. So the best time to buy a tree with fall color that you're looking for is in the fall. So you can go to the nurseries right now, see the fall color, see whether it's yellow or orange or red, and take advantage of that by buying it. And you can be reassured that it is that color that you're looking for when you plant it in your landscape. Now, the one type of plant that I would advise against planting right now in the fall are your broadleaf evergreens. And so you might remember that last winter we had these boxwoods planted and they suffered some winter damage. And so back in May, we came back through and we trimmed out a lot of that damage. And I told you, I know they kind of looked like a wild haircut. I mean, they weren't necessarily trimmed like a nice manicured boxwood, but we were just trying to get this new growth to come on in order to allow it to photosynthesize. And so I just wanted to also give you an update on how our boxwoods have done all season long. You can see they've definitely grown out a lot more. We've got a lot more growth on them. They have recovered nicely after giving them some fertilizer earlier in the summer, and they're doing well. So one of the best things that you can do to prevent winter damage on your boxwoods is just to ensure and maintain a healthy plant as we go into those cooler winter months. So we've done that all season long. They are doing well for us. As the temperatures start dropping, we're going to make sure that we've got a nice thick layer of mulch to protect those roots even more. And we may cover these with some freeze cloth again this season. But we're hopeful that after 2 seasons now, they're well established, so we shouldn't hopefully see the winter damage that we saw last year on them. But again, broadleaf evergreens are one that I would steer clear of planting in the fall, and that's just because they kind of dry out because they have larger surface area with those leaves. So hold off on those until spring, but otherwise, fall is a great time to plant your perennials and other trees and shrubs.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.